The second your salary lands in your bank account, a silent countdown begins. Not minutes, not hours, seconds. For most people, it takes less than half a minute for their brain to start spending money that hasn't even settled yet. Suddenly, you're mentally upgrading your phone, planning food deliveries, justifying that purchase you've been thinking about for weeks. And just like that, your paycheck is already gone in your head before it ever has a chance to work for you. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Those first few seconds after you get paid often decide whether you stay stuck or quietly build wealth. Not your income, not your job title, your behavior in that small window. If you're tired of reaching the end of every month wondering where your money disappeared, this is where everything changes. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Most people don't manage their paycheck, they react to it. Bills get paid somehow, groceries appear, subscriptions renew, and whatever's left just vanishes. It's not intentional, it's chaotic, like financial sleepwalking. Paychecks get treated like rewards instead of tools. Spend first, worry later, then spend the rest of the month stressed, checking balances and promising that next month will be different. People who build wealth don't do anything flashy. They don't rely on motivation or discipline. They rely on systems. And those systems start the moment money hits their account. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Your paycheck isn't spending money. It's future freedom broken into monthly pieces. Every dollar has a job, either building your future or quietly leaking away. The biggest mistake most people make is saving last. They pay bills, buy what they want, and hope something is left over. There never is. Wealthy people reverse this. They pay themselves first, not someday. Not if there's extra. First. Step 1 is knowing your true necessities: housing, basic food, transportation, utilities, healthcare. That's it. Not daily coffee runs. Not subscriptions you forgot you had. If more than about 60% of your take-home pay is going to needs, something is off, either your lifestyle or your definitions. Once necessities are clear, the next priority is staying current on debt, not aggressively killing it yet, just protecting your financial reputation. One missed payment can undo years of progress. Credit systems don't reward effort, they reward consistency. Then comes the most boring but powerful move: an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, sitting in cash, easily accessible. Not invested, not locked away. This isn't about returns, it's about leverage. When you're not desperate, you make better decisions. Only after that do you shift into true wealth-building mode. If your employer offers a retirement match, that's free money. Ignoring it is like turning down a guaranteed raise. Beyond that, consistent investing, simple, boring, diversified, beats complexity every time. Time matters more than perfection. Finally, automate everything. Because willpower fades, automation doesn't. Money should move without your permission every month. Savings, investing, debt, handled before you can interfere. And here's the key most people miss. Review the system when life changes. Raises, paid-off debts, new goals. Update the plan. Treat your paycheck like a strategy, not a surprise. Do that long enough and one day you'll realize something powerful. Your money stopped disappearing and quietly started working for you. If this video resonated with you, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to stay updated, and share is a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it.